Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this look right here. It's a really pretty green blue cut crease. And I have hella hooded eyes. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. First I'm going to prime my lids with this Too Faced concealer. I don't ever use like actual eyeshadow primer, but I do want to try the Beverly because I've heard like nothing but amazing things, and I've seen that the color payoff in your eyeshadows just like looks so much better when you use their eyeshadow base. So I think I'm gonna actually try it, but I just heard it takes such a long time to ship to the US, so like I just haven't got to that point yet. Now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn and Morphe molds, and I think I'm gonna go in with Dark Magic, which is probably one of my favorite. This looks dirty. One of my favorite palettes. So to start, I'm gonna take this green color, and it's called Potion, on a Morphe M573 brush. Okay, so next I'm going to take this deeper green color, and it's called Inside Job. And I'm taking this, it's actually from Kylie Cosmetics, one of her brushes that come with her palettes. So I always place it, and then I kind of look up, and that'll kind of tell you exactly where like you need to cut your crease. I have really hooded eyes, so I have to cut my crease extremely high, as you can see. Okay, so I went ahead and finished this side of the canvas, so I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Inside Job and Busted, which is these two colors, and I'm going to just blend into this crease a little bit. I went to Sephora and got a little sample of this new Artist Couture eyeshadow that they have. They didn't have any in stock, so I just got a little sample. So I'm gonna spray this. This is just a Morphe M213. It's super tiny, so you can be precise. Okay, so I usually always finish my face completely before I put lashes on, but I've been seeing a lot of people put lashes on after finishing an eye look, so I'm gonna try that shit today and hope for the best. So I'm gonna use Charisma lashes. I do have a lash with this brand. I collabed with them and came out with my own lash, but today I'm gonna use one of the lashes from their line. They're so gorgeous. Okay, so the lashes are on. They're so, oh, I love these ones. These are My favorite lashes out of their original line, I'm not counting mine, but these ones are the Lovelies, and they are so stunning. They're so lightweight, they're full, they're fluffy, they're gorgeous. So let's get on with the face. This is my Tatcha Silk Canvas to prime. I'm just gonna go in with Giorgio Armani foundation. I'm taking it directly onto my beauty blender and then blending it out. So this is the trick with how I do my foundation. I don't bring my foundation all the way up under my eyes. I have found that if you keep your foundation like right here and below, and then you just do your concealer under your eye, you don't crease as much. Yeah, this is just the Morphe Beauty Blender, whatever, beauty sponge, and it's honestly my favorite. I like it better than Beauty Blender. I like it better than the Real Techniques one. Then I'm gonna take my concealer, and I'm just using the Too Faced Born This Way. It's my favorite. I bring my concealer all the way up the sides of my nose, down under, chin, and then obviously my forehead, and then down the bridge of my nose. So it's good sometimes to just go in and spray your beauty sponge before blending out your concealer. I'm gonna go in and contour. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills and Cool Golden. This is currently my favorite setting powder. Okay, I used to be a religious Laura Mercier setting powder user. No, this Beauty Bakerie setting powder is out of this world. Can I tell you? It covers my, like literally, it looks like I have no fucking pores after I put this stuff on. I was sold. Give it to me, honey. Anything to cover these pores up. And just take like the end, it's more flat side, and then that's where you can kind of define this line of your eyeshadow. Today I'm going to use the Shade and Light Contouring Palette, and I don't know the shade name because it's already rubbed off, and I'm just going to go in with this, I don't know, I think this is a older MAC brush that I have. I don't know which one it is. Always go in circular motions. Do not do this when you contour. No. contouring brush. It's just some, oh shit, it's just a Morphe brush. It came in one of the sets, so I'm not really sure if it even has a name, but this gives me a little bit of an angle, so, oh, that's dark. And I go in and contour my nose, so just a little bit, you know, nothing crazy. So I like to go in and do the under eye while I'm still baking, so if there's any fallout, then I can just wipe it right off. Now I'm gonna go in and just take off all the excess powder where I was baking. You guys, this Laneige sleeping mask, I use this as like a lip gloss. Okay. This stuff is incredible. So I always put this on before I put any lip on. Even though it's a sleeping mask, so obviously you can sleep with it on, which is incredible. But I use it as a lip gloss. My lips never get chapped. And I live in Colorado and it's dry as fuck here. So this is like a staple. Like I have to have this in my purse. I really feel like this thing can go. Because you're doing shit for me at this point. I'm gonna go in with this Moira blush palette. Again, they were a sponsor we had at Fashion Week, and I actually really love their products. So I like to take my brush on the my blush on the apples of my cheeks, and then I like to blend it in with my contour. I'm gonna go back in and spray again. Yes, give it to me. I have found with this highlight that it has like, I don't know, it's starting to look a little weird in the pan, like it's kind of grayish. So what I do is I just take the back of my tweezer and I kind of just take a little bit like up, like I kind of make it like into a loose powder, and then I go in. This is just a Morphe, I don't know what it is, it's part of that collection. And then I just find that it makes the highlight pop way more. Okay, you see that? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I actually really like the way this turned out. I think it turned out really pretty.